Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, wow, what a volatile day yesterday. And Bank of Japan raised interest rates, Bank of England dropped interest rates, and there was a whole lot of chaos in the stock markets. But this channel is still continuing. As I said yesterday, we needed to break above the levels. We'll go look at them again on the lower time frames. We need to break above them before looking for an opportunity to be long. That didn't materialize. So at the moment, we are still following the channel to the downside. So we should be coming up to some structure, and the first one I would look for is Fibonacci. And we've done the 50%. As you can see, we try to hold it, and now we're coming to 61.8, which is a level that I've just drawn in. So, yeah, the more you trade, the easier it becomes to spot those levels. But anyway, this is a key level. It's 107754. Now, if we start drilling down through the time frames, and we should have non-farm payrolls today. Just check your data. I haven't looked, but it's normally the first Friday of the month, and this is the first Friday of the month, so you should have non-farm payrolls today. So in other words, you should see this sideways motion going into this afternoon. That data comes out. Depending on what the data is, this thing should spike quite aggressively up or quite aggressively down. And with a 61.8 Fibonacci here, I suspect it's going to spike to the upside. But looking at the 3 hour, look at these tails that we've had this week. This is barbed wire confusion. This is not something we want to be trading. And dropping down to the hour, as I said yesterday, we were looking for a break above 108.357 for the longs to come into play, and we are below the 150 EMA. Didn't quite get it. Rejected, I suppose, hindsight being a perfect science. It was probably 270 point stop loss, was probably a worthwhile entry for a short. We'll look at it on the 15-minute. Could have been a 2-to-1 trade, but yeah, this is not something I want to be trading at the moment. So let's just get the 15-minute up. So 15-minute was looking like that was the level to pay attention to, but probably for the short. So I forget the probability percentage, but there is a textbook calculation with structure like this which says there's a high or a medium probability of this happening, and that is an engulfing bar for levels. So I suppose it was a worthwhile opportunity to jump in 7 o'clock in the morning. For me, that was 2 hours before the market opened, so not something I like trading. And then when we did drop below the structure, we didn't really come back to test. Yeah, one side of you says, yeah, it's a good entry. The other side is it's against the rules. So I don't trade Forex until the market opens, or the European market opens at least. I've been burnt many times with that. So yeah, not really a trade according to the rules, but definitely when you zoom out and you use a bit of common sense and logic on the 1 hour, that was a decent level to be short off at 170 point stop loss, and you were below the 150 EMA. So anyway, for me today, this is a sit on hands. You're going to have a volatile period with non-farm payrolls this afternoon, or at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then I suspect the market is just going to settle into a flat line. To be honest, I think there was so much chaos through the week. You're going to find a lot of traders just would have made a lot of money or would have lost a lot of money. So they're either going to be celebrating their wins or licking their wounds. So you're going to see the volumes die off quite early on, which just doesn't bode well for putting some trades in. So anyway, I am on the sides. I don't want to be involved in non-farm payroll chaos. So we will pick this up on Monday, but I do watch the 61.8 Fibonacci here. This is an ideal place to bounce. So when you look at it on the 8-hour, strong move up, nice structured channel or flag. So it's a good opportunity to bounce in this area. Not necessarily to break up to the upside. We still need to break through this 108.357 for longs to come into play. But a very good opportunity to bounce off here, at least the top of the range, or the channel, should I rather say. Anyway, I'm on the sides. We will catch you on Monday morning. Hope it helps, and cheers for now.